Hello fellow growers, just looking at the outdoor grow, and this orange sherbert is an absolute beast. This thing is 5 foot tall and 6 foot across. Look at all the tops on this girl. She's gonna be full of flower. This is the Midwest OG. It's gonna be alright, but not near what that plant in the background is. And then I've added a blueberry. I'm going to clone this one when it gets bigger. And then out here are my autos. And they're starting to move along pretty good. I don't know what strain these autos are. I just had a bunch of random auto seeds in my collection, so I just pulled a couple and planted them up. This girl's already starting to flower. Got some weird looking flower. Maybe it's a male. We'll see. Anyway, that's the grow at Smoking Man's house. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram at SmokingManMMJ. Alright guys, happy growing and peace.